Hello, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Anytime you come across my Family Lang YouTube channel, please do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. And thank everybody who wish Mother Margaret happy birthday. So thank you guys for wishing me my birthday party. So let's go to the topic of today. So last time I made topic concerning men that hit women. They are not really men. So today I want to talk about and I say I will bring a video concerning women who also beat men, who hit men, who slap men, who curse men, who say bad words against, say bad words to men, those words that is not good for men to hear. So now I want to talk today. Those women will be say they curse man, they not get respect for men, they go they beat men, they go they slap men. And some men now, they really get respect, they don't want to beat women, even though if you slap them, they look you, they try to defend yourself by not beating the woman back or eating the woman, but just try to defend their self. So now I want to talk today. I always say there are some men, they are really good men, and those kind of good men I see say they need to jam real good women, and those good women they need to jam good men. So we know this life na so it be. This life is like that. So I make topic wey be say this man they beat this woman, they beat her and they slap her and they call her, and I mean they talk to the slap her, and somebody did the video. You see this one wey we dey sometimes I don't understand. This go the happen and they see husband and wife they fight. The man they beat the woman to death. Somebody go see the video, and you go see some video come like that say women go they beat men, person go dey them, men go dey them, go they laugh. They no come say okay separate the two people. They just leave them in they fight, they make one they abuse one. It's no good. So my advice to women today: if you get good husband, will be say they care for you, even though the man not too rich, but the man get respect for you. Because some men they really want to take care of their family. They really want to feed their wife and their children, want their wife to look beautiful, want their children to go to the best school, but they don't have the opportunity. They don't have the opportunity to have good job, They don't get the opportunity to get good job. They don't feel that is, no matter how they strong or rich, money no they come. You understand? You even get some men, they are rich, but they abuse their wife, they beat their wife, and they believe say if they even beat you die, their money go even take them away from the case. Go save them, they go use their money to bribe their way out from the problem. And you as a woman, you don't die. So my advice today: if you're a woman, you jam a good man, even though if the man don't get money, both of you will by God grace, both of you can make it together. Not say because the man not get money to bring for the house today, then you can't beat her, you go the curse her. I know sometimes the day frustrate, say you see your children say they not fit get food to eat from morning go reach night to even sleep. Most of us pass through this situation where we are back home Africa. This problem where they come, so you no go blame the man, you go blame the government. You no go put that frustration, say you go come dey beat the man, you come dey curse am. If na man wey be say okay, they go out say money dey come, cause some men dey like that. As they make the money, they go back, go dey drink, carry women, drink around. They no even care about the family. I go to understand, but you see some men, they really try their best to try to take care of their wife and their children, but because of the situation of Africa, and Africa not be place where we say government if they support the people. They like Europe, where we say government will support you to where we say you go find work, to when you go get good job, then you go begin to pay back small. Go for no say you pay the government, but you they pay for the time we say you not get job. So that money when you pay, now they will still give you back. Where we say you go take care of yourself. To where we say you recover again, you get job. That is why for Europe here, they see poor people, they see people they beg for food. Anybody who you see me, say na junkie. Which I don't want to go to that extent. My advice today with women, where they beat women, men, where be say they feel say, okay, this man, not they beat them because this man, not they beat them. This man, some men not just get that spirit to touch women, even though they're strong. They not say, yes, I can beat her, I can even kill her, but they don't even get that spirit to touch their wife. They prefer to me, they just they defend because the love where they get for their wife and where they get for the children. And the children did there. They believe, say, okay, anything when I do today, my son will see and go do am. So you will be woman too. If you dey beat your husband, how you think say if your daughter grow up, how you go be? You go begin to beat a husband. Anything where you tell the man not do, you go begin to slap the man, they beat him, they eat him, So dey eat am. So make women dey learn to, control their temper where their children dey, different dey wey be say if you dey play with your husband, na too you dey knack your husband, una dey laugh, the children go understand. So because children, they are very intelligent, dem know when una dey play, and dem know when be say things really dey serious, So anything, ladies, women, mothers, anything wey you dey do with your husband, your partner, watch say your daughter dey there. You understand? Watch, because anything wey you do now, your daughter go learn. If you be woman wey sabi cook, your daughter go learn how to cook from you. If you be woman wey sabi to clean, your daughter go learn how to clean. If you be woman wey sabi to dress up, make up, clean up yourself, your daughter see wetin you dey do, now your daughter go dey do. I myself, I learn am from my daughter. I see say anything when I dey do, my daughter dey imitate me, and I see my son, he learn from father or the friend or the men outside, wetin dey do, even in the school, you understand. So anything wey we dey do with our partner, make we dey careful, whether na your husband, whether na your fiancé, whether na your your friend, anything wey una dey do with your man partner, be careful, especially when your children dey there, and not take advantage of man wey get respect for you, we no get that, not be the type of man wey dey beat women, make you not take advantage. See this woman now, the way take advantage on this man. Although I don't understand the language, but the way the woman they beat the man is no good, and children they abuse the man in the presence of the children, you understand. Maybe get some word, maybe say talk, maybe say the man you mad, say make you not talk, make you not pronounce that word at because of the children we did there. You see her, it is slap the man, the man, they slap make you really leave this man and this woman. She go really feel beat this man. No. Just because of the man get respect, and the man don't hit her because the man love her, even though the man don't have money, but that respect and love is okay, you understand. But I don't know what really they make the woman the verse, because I know they understand the language. But what I see for the video now, okay, you dey hit the woman, you dey slap the woman, no matter what the man no slap back, the man not slap back, the man only hold your mouth, maybe the man put the hand for the mouth because of the children did there, and you don't want the children to hear what the mother they talk out from the mouth, if he embarrassed to him, you understand. So this is now what I really bring today. Women, no matter whether your husband not get money, make we get small respect. If your husband not get money, try to respect him. You don't know tomorrow. With your prayer, with your love, you can empower the man to become waiting, to become achieve what he is supposed to achieve in life. And bring money to take care of the family and the children. That is what I understand for this video. But if you understand as a viewers, if you understand anything will be say, you see this woman, go address it with this man, you can put your comment there. As for me, I see, and what I understand, say maybe the man not bring money for feeding for the house, and the woman was angry, then the woman begin to talk words, and maybe they begin to throw words for each other. The woman begin to start beating the man, you understand, so begin to beat the man, begin to slap the man, and somebody did the video, the recording, somebody did the video, the recording. And the man put hand for the man, and children did the sons of the man said they wash. And this woman now go feel say his son go treat women. When you go see your mother they abuse your father. This boy now go come grow up, go call they fear women. Now you make you see some men they go for their own sex, especially in Oyibo side. Some of them, if you answer, they will say that the way their mother they treat their father, make them come they fear women, make them come go for their own sex. I don't want to pronounce it like they come prefer to like their fellow man, like their fellow guy. So Na so women anything wey you dey do as far say your daughter dey there your son dey there is no good. As e no good say make man dey abuse woman, na so e no still good make woman dey abuse men, because some women do dey too wey be say dey dey even dey gbeme their husband. You go see them before their husband go wake, they don take something chook their man, the man don die. One get to when I say na so e still take kill boyfriend, you understand, before the boy wake up e take something take kill am. So both party na, although say na men dey come most, especially for Europe, men dey come, African men dey come most say dem dey come dey gbeme women, but sometimes to women too dey do am. So we dey talk concerning this issue sometimes, we dey talk make marriage, make dem dey try to respect each other, understand each other. If problem dey, how dem go take solve this problem. Like this couple now, wetin I see for the problem na hardship, maybe the man no dey bring a lot of money to the house, so they can able to buy food for the children and other things, So sometimes husband and wife, if they really love each other, they go sit in a quiet way without the children not dey there. They go try to talk to each other, try to find solution, not beating each other, not cursing each other, not throwing bad words, because na bad words wey the man, maybe the man say something bad wey really offend the woman, wey make the woman begin to dey hit am, dey slap her, but e no get right to hit the man like that in the presence of their children. It's not right. So thank you, my viewers, for watching. Do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Do not forget to put your comments there. Please subscribe and like. Subscribe. And those who have subscribed for me, thank you, and God bless you. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you. God bless you. Bye.